Dog dialogue.
You're barking at the moon if you expect me to work like a dog.
Please let sleeping dogs lie.
I don't believe in the dog-eat-dog world. I prefer real dog food.
I may be old, but you can teach me new tricks.
Many don't realize that the greatest joy in life is getting your food on time without asking for it. How come I'm always the doggone backseat driver?
Mine is the real puppy love.
Having no purpose in life is very relaxing. No purpose, no stress.
Unlike humans, we never bark up the wrong tree.
I'm just wondering, how come I never get what they call doggy bag? During these dog days, I'd rather stay home and stretch my legs.
Being man's best friend makes you dog tired and dirty, especially when it's raining cats and dogs.